Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. Tonight, my wife is not here. And that means it's time for me to have some more poor man's cookbook videos. So I'm not supposed to eat any of the stuff that I'm going to eat, but I've got 2 MREs that I picked up at a flea market not long ago. And I've got a TV dinner hiding out in the other room. And so we're going to go through it. And for lunch today, I'm going to be eating this MRE, and it is the MRE Menu 2 beef shredded in barbecue sauce. And it says warfighter recommended, warfighter tested, warfighter approved. I am not a warfighter anymore, but I'm still hungry. So we're going to do this. This stuff ruins your guts. There's no doubt about it. But that's okay. One thing that's changed a lot over the years with these things, back in my day, the old brown bags, not these light brown, but the old dark brown bags, they didn't peel open like that. They kind of cut them, tear at them. A lot of times you use your bayonet to get them open, but boy, things have gotten easier. And that's interesting. We got a bag inside of a bag here, so I'll go ahead and open that up. That bag here is not as well constructed as the outer bag. What do we got? This one here is shredded beef in barbecue sauce. So that must be our main course. I'll put that there. And then it looks like they have the cardboard for it. Show that there. I've got 2 cameras if you can't see the other one on film here. And it just shows all the stuff that's in it. And what do we have here? Oh man, black beans seasoned. And my guts suddenly feel even worse. So I'll put that there. Then we have our accessory packet here. What do we got? Cookies, looks like, maybe? Oatmeal cookie. Yep. And cheese spread with jalapenos. That looks good. And we've got beverage base. This is the orange. Oh, yeah. We're going to have a heck of a nice meal. So I got some water over here for that. And what do we got here? Tortillas, plain. Show that to that camera. It's a little closer. Tortillas to go with it. What's this? Barbecue sauce. So extra barbecue sauce comes with it. I don't think I've ever seen a packet of barbecue sauce. That's cool. Then we have our heater. Now I am from the old school. I don't eat mine hot because why torture ourselves more than we must? Actually never liked the smell of these things when they were hot. Plus often just never had the time. The original brown ones, they didn't come with those heaters. That was a later development. So you kind of had no choice but to keep these things cold. So there you go. We'll go ahead and open up the accessory packet and pour that out there. I don't see any coffee. Oh, here we go. Creamer non-dairy dry for coffee or for tea. Coffee instant type 2 spray dried. I'm not sure if that's different than freeze dried. And then we got ourselves a moist towelette. No kidding. Now that is interesting. Instead of sugar, they gave us a packet of Splenda. That is really interesting. I'm very surprised. Of course, salt, and I'll tell you, if you look, that's a lot of salt. That's not like the little salt packets you get at the fast food joint. That's a lot of salt. And of course, the chiclets. Gotta have our chiclets. And some toilet paper for the undoubtedly horrifying after effects of this. Made by Lighthouse. That hasn't changed in 40 years. Man, it's crazy. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the camera. I'm going to get all this laid out here, and we will dig in. All right, here we are. And I'll tell you what, this is one of the least appetizing meals I've seen in a long time. And I've eaten a lot of MREs over the years, but this is just, it smells good. It smells okay, but it does not look good. The black beans, they don't look good. And the shredded beef, it's pureed beef. It's not shredded. There's very little evidence of any beef in it at all. The 2 little, this one came pre-broken. The other one looks like it's about to break. My little tortillas. I missed the crackers. I guess they went with tortillas at some point. The one thing that does look kind of good is, smells good too, is that giant oatmeal cookie. And then I've got this one opened up. That's my cheese spread. And this one here is extra barbecue sauce. So yeah, I'm ready to dig in. So my coffee here. I got the coffee with the creamer and the Splenda in it. And this is my orange powder drink, or orange drink mix, which smells just like Tang. Wow. And tastes just like Tang, so that's awesome. I love Tang. Who doesn't like Tang from my generation anyway? All right, let's go ahead. Well, first, before I put any of this on, let's go ahead and try it just by itself. I don't know why I'm using a fork. I should be using a spoon for this. Those are the black beans. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about that at all. Okay, so, all right, I get it on the second bite. So I'm thinking black beans. I'm thinking like black beans, just a can of black beans, which you do use with a lot of Hispanic meals. But this this has like chili sauce. In fact, I can taste Hormel chili. So it's black beans, and who knows if they work with them or not. But it tastes just like Hormel's like chili mix. So that's what I'm getting real strong with that. So it's not bad. The first bite definitely threw me off, but I get it. All right, let's try the shredded beef. And you can see here, hopefully the camera's showing that. There's not a lot of shreds. It's like paste. In fact, if I were looking at it on a plate and I didn't know what it was supposed to be, I would say that that's refried beans, but it doesn't really have a smell at all to it. Oh, it tastes great. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good. That tastes, the barbecue sauce is really good. Like a real sweet Memphis style probably barbecue. And you can kind of taste some beef in there or some kind of meat, maybe horse, whatever it is. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, let's give this a shot. We'll put a little bit on the on here. Matter of fact, we'll do it up. We'll do a little bit of that. Maybe a spoonful of that. We'll give it a shot. Now, MREs, man, they ruin you. I don't know why that is. Yeah, it's pretty good. Mixed up's good, yeah. Yeah. Man. MREs have gotten, the taste-wise, have gotten so much better over the years. Even the tang tastes more like tang. Let's try their, what did it call? Flash? It wasn't freeze-dried. It was like some other kind of dried. I threw the thing away, so I don't remember. But it smells like freeze-dried coffee. I'll say the coffee, the creamer that came with it, tastes better than some of that store-bought creamer you buy, like the powdered stuff I'm talking about. It doesn't taste anything like real cream, but it's not bad. All right, let's try a little piece of this barbecue sauce here. This packet of barbecue. And I'm not sure why did it come with barbecue when everything's pretty well saturated in it. We'll give it a taste. All right, that's Sweet Baby Ray's. I'll bet $1. Yeah, that's like Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. It's actually really tasty. Although I can't recall ever just pouring barbecue sauce on a tortilla. But it's good. All right, let's try it with, put a little of this on. Try a little of this. Yeah, it helps. So, all I can think of when I have the black beans is that it's Hormel chili. I'm positive. And that's not a bad thing. Let's try some on this. There we go. That's about all that. Yeah. It works better with the shredded beef. Definitely. And I'm saving this last tortilla because I have that jalapeno cheese spread, and I want to put it on there for that. Yeah, it's good. I'm kind of in a hurry, but I wanted to make this video because this is my lunch. I got work to do outside. It's about 40 degrees, but it's a really sunny, clear day. So I'm trying to get a little bit of work done before the sun hits over that mountaintop because it cools off substantially when that happens. Yeah, that's good. I'll tell you. I don't know how many old timers around here watching this, but who remembers the chicken a la king, right? Or the tuna? Was it tuna a la king? God, they were both horrible. But you know, they had noodles and green beans and or green peas and all that stuff in them. And it felt like every side dish in those was potatoes au rotten, as we used to call it, instead of potatoes au gratin. Which I didn't mind in the beginning, but after like the 75th time you had cold potatoes au gratin, I just lost something. And there was years that I just couldn't eat the stuff after, you know, going in and being a civilian and, you know, buy a kid or something like that to cook it up at the house. Man, just the smell of it would just be like, no, I'm good. Crazy, man. This might be the video that I put out when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. It's been a crazy, it's been a crazy ride. I really started this channel, if you look at when its creation date was, it'll say 2014. I did upload 7 videos back in 2014, and then I gave up. I didn't give up, I just forgot about it. I moved on with other stuff on the house. And it was 2017 that I realized that the channel had gained some popularity off of those 7 videos, so I decided to start uploading videos. I think it was February or March maybe. And the rest is history. I've been making, 2 to 4 videos a week, every week except for one, for all that time. Including a couple MRE reviews. Pretty wild. Not exactly, that life, such twists and turns in life, I guess I'd say, where you just really don't realize what comes next, and then something totally unexpected comes next. That's really good. And the beans were really good. I mean, the whole meal is just tasty. All right, now let's squeeze out this cheese here, the cheese spread. Man, the cheese was always my favorite. But don't get me wrong, I love peanut butter and I love the grape jelly. I never had much love for the apple jelly that they had, but it wasn't that I hated it. It just was my least favorite of the package. This looks good, but yeah, cheese was always my favorite. Always willing to trade for cheese. There we go. Let's go ahead and try that. I will say I would definitely prefer crackers over tortillas. But I get it, they're soft, they're flexible, so they won't shatter. Sometimes you get an MRE, and the crackers would be dust. They've been hit so hard. Oh, that's good. You can definitely taste the jalapenos in there. It's spicy. And it's good. It's not too spicy, but it's good. Speaking of spice, no Tabasco sauce anymore. I guess that's not a thing anymore. That's a shame. Coffee's actually really good. So I guess the only thing left to do here is enjoy this oatmeal cookie. A lot of people have asked me in the last year or so, what kind of equipment I use to make these videos, and what kind of software I use, the computer, like all kinds of very technical questions about how I create videos for YouTube. And you'd be amazed at how low-tech the whole operation really is. But I'm going to make some videos. I think I'm going to make probably a 3-part series that talks about my experiences on YouTube, some of the weird behind-the-scenes stuff that happens at times, also the equipment and the software that I use to make these videos, and just reminisce about what it's been like to gain 50,000 subscribers in the last 4 or 5 years. So it's been an interesting ride. Oh man. Wow. That brings back memories. In my era, the oatmeal, they had these, they look like miniature bricks, oatmeal bars. Really, really, really dense. Really tasty. And this is also really dense and really tasty, and it definitely brings back the flavoring of that. I mean, that was like the first bite right away. I thought, man, that's they haven't changed that recipe. Really good. Apparently the smell is attracting hoodlums. I won't let you sit here and watch me eat the rest of this, but I'll wrap it up with this. MREs have come a long way in 30 years. And I hate to say 30 years, I wish it was 20, but it's getting closer to 30 at this point. Stop that. So, if you're thinking about joining the Army, well, at least you know that you'll have better food than I did when I went through. I'll leave it at that. My name is Eric. I'm the owner of Farpoint Farms, and I hope you enjoyed this MRE review. And if you did, well, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing, because there'll be another one. And there's a couple in the back catalog if you want to go back there and find them. Till next time, my friends. Take care.